Hanapin mo ang C12. C12. Ganda ng C12. Ayun o. Oh, C12.
14, 13, 12. Yeah.
Where's 12?
Yeah.
Over there.
Okay.
Ang liit-liit.
Yes, left side niya. Ayan.
Welcome to our vlog.
And we are the Team Umbrellas.
Wala si Gabe. Si Gabe nagigipaglaro doon. So kami lang nakapag-ikot dito. We are in Tantal Whispering Pines Camping Ground. So we will tour you here. We will show you what activities we will be doing. Ano ba?
They have, I think, theme park. We're at Tantal Whispering Pines. There's a lot of activities you can do here. There's a theme park. Here you can go to the go-kart, ride with your children. Let's tour you. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Right here. Heran, okay? Okay, yan yung cottage natin. Ito yung table natin. Yan yung cottage natin. Okay. Where's the key? Tawag sa luna. Okay, let's see. Si Heran. Okay. So, there's the table, chair, bed, queen bed. There's a ladder. And then, okay. Is there a light? Turn the light on.
Wow.
Wala. Sinabi nino.
That's actually kind of cool, not gonna lie.
Paglabas mo, ito may mga nagka-camping din dyan. So mamaya maglalagay ako ng tent dito. Lagay tayo dyan ng tent. Sila matutulog dyan pero ako magte-tent ako. I don't know.
No. No, bye-bye.
Yan, punong-puno yan. Oh my God, punong-puno.
Gawin muna natin tents or what?
Dandan, dandan. Tapos dito, puno din yan. Oop, ayun na yung bag. Oh, mahuhulog na oh. Camera bag ko. Ayun oh.
Bring it here. Gonna be the mattress. Hi, Aaron. Aaron.
Say hi. Let's go suka, boy. Keep mo muna kasi ng wagan.
Good job.
Ha? Siya. Sige, go. Kasi, ay, ito po.
Pasok na kayo doon. That's for Aaron. Give it to mommy. Ayan, okay. There's Aaron's seat. Okay, go.
Sit down
Go na.
so that you
Go.
can sit. So that you
Sit,
can
that's
eat
your seat.
properly.
Yeah! That's Aaron's seat. Wow! Okay, eat now. Now let's go and look for Kuya. Kuya. Okay, alright. Bring them out. Yeah. Okay, push.
Wait lang.
Baby.
pala, di na nagkasya sa sakyan kasi di na nilagay yung taas, di ba? Ay, iniwan na namin, mabuti na lang ganito.
Kailangan
kahapon
namin
kasi
bumili ng truck.
pumunta na sa kapitbahay.
Uy!
Babalik din. Okay, wala siyang kamera doon sa dito.
Saan? Dito? Yeah.
Pansit diho.
Ay, more. Di, ayun na second yung mga. Very good.
Sa ads. Hindi natin sa transfer. Okay. Fresh na fresh.
Baka dala kasi nila.
Winnet!
Ano na, nag-start na ba kayo? Diba?
Apalta kami tatay. Where did you put it?
Pupunta to kami dyan.
It's done!
Ang fishball na.
Ang cute ni Kuya. Parang
Nag.
parang nasa reality,
Meron siyang ano, lakalay.
God, this is nice.
Ang cute, tinignan niyo?
Opo. It's cute.
Nakakabsi ako yun eh.
Okay. Okay.
Dito doon po kayo. Mamaya na lang yun. Mamaya na. Wow! Good job, Aaron. Mangan.
Diyan natin na.
Iwan lang natin ng gano'n, no? Para ito sa loob. Palagay mo ilang kilo to. Ito ko lang lagay. Para ano.
Subukan naman natin ngayon itong Starfleet na griddle pan. So, first time kong gagamitin to, hindi ko alam kung paano. Paano kaya pupwesto to na hindi siya matutumba. Pwede na yata yung ganyan. Nagluto ako kanina ng nilagang baboy for Aaron.
So yun yung pagkain niya. Gusto niya ng mga masabaw na, na rice and yung hito na niluto namin. So this time, mag-grill ako ng pork para gagawin namin kilawin or sisig or dinakdakan. So eto, bagong bili ko, darak na grill pan. So dito ko lulutuin ngayon. Tatry natin. Lagyan natin ngayon ng a little bit of avocado oil para healthy. That's an avocado oil. Okay. Mainit na yung pan. Okay. There you go. Kunti na lang yung laman. Si Aaron taking his vitamins now even during camping. Yeah, para healthy. Ang Aaron, say hi, Aaron. Say hi now. And then still watching his favorite show. Rachel, Miss Rachel. Okay? Yan, habang nagluluto naman si Daddy. So, yan. Medyo malapit na siyang maluto.
Inubos ko na tong pagkain mo, Vic. Ilan lang kinain mo na ito?
Chef, kumain ka lang. Oh, yan na. Nag-start na silang mag-light. Yan na yung mga lights nila.
Yeah, kasi yan nga yung... Ay, bumili ba tayo ng ganyan?
Good. One more tip. Dapat kailangan sunugin pa ito para at least mas mabango siya. So ang gagawin ko ngayon, i-blowtorch ko para lumabas yung lasa. Yan. Para magiging mas smoky siya. Yan. Yan ang pampasarap talaga. Yan yung smoky aroma para mas masarap siya, mas malasa. Kailangan sunugin mo. Yan. Lalo yung mga taba-taba niyan, masarap yan pagka nasunog. Tingnan mo yan, white pa siya, pero pag sinunog mo, yan. Dagdag pampalasa yan. Okay, prove. Okay. Oh, say hi, Aaron. Oh, why? Kasi bakit naman? Grabe naman. Oh, say hi, Aaron. Oh, smile siya sa'yo.
Sabi niya, mukha ni mami ko
Oh,
to.
that's mommy. Oh, okay.
Wala ka fishing na si Kuya. Ang dami nang nakuha ko. May nakita ko. Pero may nakita ko ng ganito nga. Na? Oo. Napupupo daw siya.
Yan yung taglan ng ganyan. Oo, no. Iluluto na, oh. Diba? Ito. Oh, kape na, kape.
naman yan ah. Ito, kaya mailalagyan.
Yung pang brew. Yeah.
Tara, patikimin mo ng luto yung mga.
Yan, nag-grip siya.
Naiinip ako.
No. Stop.
Eh, ano, chill na chill. Ano kami kayo naman? Dahil lang, downtown. Downtown.
Yan yung mga mababait na chef.
Pag gutom, pagtulog.
Ah,
Pagtulog.
sarapan mo ah.
Sure. Itlog, itlog na may, ano,
Ano naman sa'yo, Cha?
spam.
Oh, spam.
Ay, may bagoong. May suka. Oh, naka-spam. True. Ano namin gumising kami, napasitulog ulit ako. Sabi niya, ganun ng oras na ba? Mag-alas, ang aga mo. Umaga sa tatlo. Hindi ako pa nang natutulog. Nakila ng tray dyan.
Dalawa kaming yan dito eh. Right. Breakfast. Egg at saka longganisa, spam, saka lumpia.
Nasa kay Kuya Ras na lang.
Mark?
Matalig natin yun niya.
Susubukan ko lang ng kuhan kung maganda. Mahina eh. May kumuha ka?
Ay, makunat mo.
Alright, we're getting ready. Okay, papunta kami ngayon ng lake. Inihintay namin si Angel. Si Aaron, magsuswimming siya doon. Magsuswimming si Aaron sa lake. Okay, Aaron. Okay, dito na kami ngayon sa my falls. So, it's time for us to explore the falls. Let's go. Kailangan naming maglakad. Oh, daming naliligo. Oh, mamaya magbibihis ako. Parang saan maligo. Ayun. Nice, ayun. Oh. Yan yung falls.
Sino mag-i-slide?
Oh, yan. Ayun, doon kayo mamaya. Okay. Wow. Are you ready to swim, Aaron? Huh?
No, put it on. No, mommy, do it off. Mommy, oh. Mommy.
Okay, go.
Yeah, let's go. Let's get in the water. Look. Okay, go. See? Gusto niya to. Kahapon pa. Oh, let's go.
Hey, go, 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 Aaron.
Madulas naman, oh. I have to hold you because it's too slippery. Not yet. Kahapon pa niya. Yesterday pa ha. Gusto mong paddle na ha. Oh, let's go. Oh, dami siya.
Can we go use your life jacket?
Okay, go, go, go. Go and swim, Aaron. Go. Yeah, gusto niya yan. Okay, play with it.
Mamaya doon. Mamaya, dalhin siya para may ano siya. Eh, mga gamit na yun, eh. Malalim hanggang dito po, it's okay. Ayan hanggang bukod lang ni ano. Pataas-taas pa siya ng paa. Kaya dito lang kami. Ay, gusto. Yan na niya. Sige, continue tayo sa. Look what happened to your nails, po. Bawal yan. Okay, go swimming na. Go swimming. Go swimming. Go swimming. Go swimming. Go.
Did you have fun, baby? Baby? Did you have fun swimming? Yeah, say hi. Huh? Oh. Talaga. Grabe ang smile, oh. You wanna come back here? Huh? Of course, we will be coming back again. Huh?
Yes.
We're going back to the campsite, okay? Alright? Take everything. Okay, check. Everything's good? Alright? Let's go. Alright, did you have fun? Guys? Did you have fun?
Yeah, Aaron and Peter.
Alright. Gabriel, Aaron, and Mommy too. Right, let's go.
Ito na si Robelis, oh. Winner na siya.
Tapos namin maligo. Wow! Naligo kaming lahat. So feeling fresh. Okay? Let's go, let's go. Pasyal na tayo.
Tara.
Ikutin natin ito para
Yeah, let's see.
malaman natin kung anong nandito. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Let's go. Okay. Let's go.
Sabihin nyo na.
Okay, team park na tayo. Team park, team park. Team party na guys. Ayan na sila yung kasama natin. Ayan na. Oh. Alright. Ayun na.
Aris mo yan, babe.
Alright. Oh, ako din, please.
Please.
Palagay. Paano ba? Dito sa ano? Ah, dito na lang. Dito. Alright. Okay, thank you. Papunta sila sa theme park. Alright.
Gang.
What?
I think he likes this kasi makikita niya yung
Santa's Farm? Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
You're just standing there.
Dito tayo? Ano yan? Santa's?
Yeah, mga camping na nakikita niya sa animal farm.
Okay. Let's go.
Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a
Nakita ko yan dyan kasi yung mga farm animals niya.
Okay. That's your ride, Aaron.
Let's see.
Come on, let's go. Okay. You wanna stay with him or? Okay.
Maybe ganito na lang. Pero, you're gonna be the driver.
All right.
Okay?
Come on, let's go.
You'll be fine. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, here pala.
Oh.
Okay.
Yay! Aaron is
driving! Ah, Aaron! Wow!
Driving.
Aaron is driving now, huh?
You know? Aaron.
I know!
Anak, the chicken.
Look,
This is
chicken,
your
chicken!
food. Ay, ayaw. Gusto niya tayo.
Drive, drive!
Okay. I see donkey.
Oh,
Donkey.
Aaron, look!
Yun na.
Look around! You have to look around, Aaron!
Pero there's it's a goat.
Yes! Aaron is driving it. I think right now, yes. Okay, we have to be careful with the selfies. Aaron is driving. Wow!
There's a goat.
Aaron, wow! Aaron is driving. Oh my God.
There's a banana.
And the driver was Aaron. Here is Aaron. Aaron, look. Look. Look, Aaron, look. Look over there, Aaron. Look. Yeah, he's coming. He's coming. Look. And this is gonna be the train. Yeah, let's wait for the next one. It's okay, it's okay. Go, go, go. Doon tayo sa front. Sa may tabi ng driver. on, where are you going? And where is Aaron going? Yeah, peekaboo! Okay, let's go! Okay, that one, that one. Nonton? Hey, agad daw yan, babe. That's it. Yay! Yippee! Okay, go, 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 go. Thanks. All right. Bye-bye. Huh? No? Who's this? Who's on the loose? I know. You go, B. I will make video of you. Sige na, B. You go. I don't know. Sige na, pero ano, kaya mo. Wala, wala. Saan ka mag-start? B, saan ka mag-start? I-video kita. Sige na, kung bahala. Sige na, go, 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 go. Ha? Takot na.
says at 6 p.m. Oh. Uwi na tayo.
Adobo, pansit.
Sahog sa pansit.
Pansit. was your sleep, baby? Did you have fun?
I
Huh?
have to tell him.
Huh? Did you have fun? Wow! It's raining outside. It's raining outside. You want to play there? Smiling face. Okay. Good kitty. Bakit? Oh, shit. Kitty, kitty, baby. Kitty, kitty, baby. Alright. Mommy is now packing because that's it for the camping. Oh, dami nating gamit na ipapack ngayon.
Wala, kukunti na.
Hopefully, nabawasan. Yan. Oh my God. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko nakapagkasya lahat yan. So, ngayon, pagkakasyahin ko ulit yan sa labas. Paano ako maglalagay? Umuulan. Ha? Yan. I-deflate mo siya. Yan. Press mo. Yan. Okay. Okay. Yan. Aaron. Yes, I brought you food. Grouchy, grouchy. Okay. Yan ang pillow. Yan. That's $18. 20 yata.
Useful.
Yeah,
At least
I know.
naiangat ang ulo.
Okay.
The use of the pillow.
So, dami-dami ng mga gamit natin. Oh my God. Diyos ko, hindi ko alam paano ko ikakarga yung mga yan. Hi. Tinitingnan ko pa lang, nakaka-stress na. Yan. I don't know kung paano. Yan. Okay. And Aaron is there, waiting for his food. Okay? Okay. Ah, hindi na siguro. Tingnan natin, sige. Sige. Wala na. Ay, consideration. Hi, Gabe. Good morning. Umulan kagabi. Hanggang ngayon, umulan. Sabi, basang-basa yung tent niya. Diyan siya natulog.
Okay.
Kaya kain na.
Yeah, thank you.
Babihin mo na lang yung plato, wala na tayong bowl.
Okay, kakatapos mag-pack. So, dyan kami nag-stay for 2 nights. Pauwi na. Grabe, basang-basa ang umulan dito. So, grabeng stress kapag ganitong umulan. Pero it's fun, pero mahirap.
This camping trip, I had a lot of fun. How about you?
Yeah, me too, of course. And Aaron too. Us, Aaron. Yeah.
Aaron,
Aaron, did you have
fun?
Hi, Aaron had a lot of fun.
And what
Yes.
about mommy?
Yeah,
Mommy?
of course. If Aaron had a lot of fun, of course, me
Yeah,
too.
we enjoyed the rides. We enjoyed the, what do you call this one? The Muskokas theme park.
No,
Yeah.
Rides on the-
What about you? Did you
The
enjoy
theme
it?
park was not
Huh?
fun. The theme park was not fun.
Yeah, well, you should have tried the, what do you call this one? This obstacle course. It's
Yeah,
so,
hindi nila nakikita.
Yeah, it was
Kami,
really fun.
ako nga sana,
And-
kung nandun ka lang.
The best part was the waterfalls, though. Yeah, that's
Waterfalls,
fun.
yeah,
Yeah,
right.
that's
Yeah, the waterfalls. What else did you enjoy? The waterfalls. What about the pool?
That's it. The pool was boring.
Boring, and there's a lot of people in there.
Yeah.
And what about the food?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine. Not from 1 to 10.
7.
7? Oh my. Because we brought just burgers,
Yeah.
hot dogs, and everything. I brought those things because I was thinking of booking something quick, easy to prepare, and because I have a lot of responsibilities like unloading, loading, and everything, cooking,
Okay.
lots of stress, but it was still fun. Okay?
Okay.
All right?
Yeah. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video, and make sure to click the notification bell to get
Okay.
notified every time we
Bye-bye.
post.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. Show them. Mommy. Bye-bye. Aaron.